So we're going to divide 4.352 divided by 0.332. When you divide decimals, you need to make the decimals a whole number. So let's move this decimal over 2 spaces. So let's go 1, 2. So it's 32. And then we need to do the same with this number. So we go 1, 2. So basically, our problem will look like this. So now what we do is we gotta find out how many times 32 goes into 43, and it only goes in 1. So we put a 1 over there. Now what we do is we do 32 times 1, and then that equals 32. Then we subtract this, and that equals 11. So then now we drop the 5 down. So now we divide. So 32 goes into 115. It goes in 3 times. And then 32 times 3 equals 96. And then we subtract. So now we're subtracting 115, or 96 from 115. So you can't do 5 minus 6. So you take this, cross that out, put a 0 there, make that 15, and then what you have now, that 15 minus 6 is 9, and you have to cross that out and make that a 10, and then that equals 1, and then you drop the 2 down. So now something that we forgot to do earlier is we could do that later, but let's just put the decimal point up there. Now we have to divide. So 32 goes into 192 6 times exactly. So we put the 6 up there, and then 192.
Good morning, boys and girls.
So now we subtract, and that equals 0. So there's no remainder. So your answer is 13.6.